Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing my next mod on the car. I'm kind of skipping over. I got my block in. I'm going to show you here. This is the fuse block that I'm going to be using to come off of that power block under the hood of the Olds. So I'll have another video of me installing this because I still have to make the bracket that holds everything. The other one, the thing I'm doing today is, sorry I wasn't videotaping this, I was kind of busy working on it. This is the motor and bracket and pulley and everything for the water pump, the electric motor to run the water pump. And I've already got the bracket put on for now because it's just basically like a test fit. I want to make sure I had the clearance for it. I have the pulley on just because. But right now I'm trying to fit it to the water pump, and that, if you can see it, the second hole from the bottom I actually just drilled out. Hopefully it lines up with the second bolt I need to use off of the water pump. So it was all kind of done by eye. I know that's stupid, but whatever. But yeah, and I'm right there. The hole's just like a millimeter too small and I can't get my the bolt through. So I'm just going to continue on opening this hole up, and then I'll take you over to the car and test fit it again. Okay, stupid me. I just realized I've been using the wrong bolt to test fit this. So this is the size of bolt that came off the car already. So the bolt that I have fitting the top one is a clean one, but a little bit longer with a bunch of spacers to make it fit. So yeah, I've been using the wrong stuff this whole time. So the bolt that I do need to use will fit. It is a massive one like this, and that should be what I need. All right, well, I don't have any more spacers, unfortunately, so this is basically going to just keep the fan from wiggling all over the place. So I'm going to go try and get this in. Is that the right way? Yeah. Oh, I'm leaking antifreeze. Fantastic. There, take out that little guy. All right, that is half in. All right, where's the other big bolt that I was trying to use? Oh, beautiful. All right. Oh, look at that, I got it lined up. I just need a spacer. All right. Oh, bottom hole. Oh, look at that. Oh, how close is that? Well, that's fine. Because once I take that pulley off, it'll be completely free. I don't know if you guys can really see. It's in the right position, but the problem I'm going to have is it can move this way. I need spacers up there to keep it from moving. So I'm going to need a piece of tubing, because I don't have enough spacers here to keep that from walking all over the place. I have to have this bushing here because it's giving me the space I need to keep it out. If I take that off, then this bolt actually runs right into a stop and I can't continue with it. It bottoms out. I don't want it to bottom out. So that's pretty much what I'm stuck with. All right, so I've gone over to the shop and I built this spacer, and I've already test fitted it and it works great. So now I'm going to mount it. Alright, I'm gonna loosen the bottom one. Might help out with the fitment of the top. Alright, I think that's it now. I think I got it. There we go. Just didn't have the right angle. God, I hate this ratchet. It's not going anywhere. Seems to be lined up. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, if you guys can see it, okay, we're good. So now I'm going to adjust the pulley. It was a 3/18. Whoop. All right, that should be good. Now I'm going to grab a, what do I need? I believe that's a 1/2 inch socket. I'm having issues with the phone right now. There we go. I apologize if it falls. Oh. I'm actually getting quite tired. I don't know why I'm continuing to do this. But I guess I'm just a trooper. There you go. Oh, sorry, I knocked the phone. There we go. All right. All right. That's off. Now, the fun part. Wish this thing wasn't so ghetto, but the way it is. All right, I gotta open these up. I'll be back. All right, I got it on. Sorry I didn't videotape that. I'm not taking it off again. She is on there. So I'm gonna put bolts down. All right, there's that. Look at the belt. I probably should have grabbed the socket for this. So there's that. There's that. Oh shit. Well, there's funny. Oh, that is not gonna fit. How awesome is that? It is not gonna put enough tension. Look at that, boys and girls. All that work. And look how much slack there is. Oh. Well, that blows goat. All right, back to the drawing board. You know what? I'm freaking done for the day. This was kind of a disaster, so I'm just gonna take a breather and get back on this later. All right, guys, I'm back. So that was a fail. I had to put the system back to stock. I'll show you here. When the gear was on here, the belt coming from the crank pulley up to the power steering pump was interfering. And there was no way I could fix it. I mean, I could put like a tensioner on, but I don't know how. Things are in the way. Yeah, so I just had to put it back. But this also doesn't mean that it won't work for your project. This thing is supposed to fit on pretty much any vehicle. But in the instructions, it even showed that the Oldsmobile had a bit of it was different from everybody else's. And it specifically showed how to put it on. And it's supposed to go on the other side of my water pump, but my power steering pump's in the way, so can't really do that. I need power steering. So yeah, I'm gonna keep the pump. I'll use it at some point, or I'll sell it to somebody someday. So yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here, and if you guys like it, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.